Hey guys, my name is Dustin Macias and today we'll be making a pancake tree waffle. First you're gonna add 2 cups of pancake mix. And the pancake mix we're using is gonna be Hungry Man Jack. Then you're gonna add 1 1/4 cup of water, along with 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. And now you're gonna add 2 to 3 drops of food coloring until it's green. And now you'll mix together. And you can see my pancake mix is now Grinch green. So now you're gonna open the pancake maker and you're gonna get a cup and slowly pour the pancake mix into the waffle maker. So now that our waffle is ready, we're gonna take it and get it out of the waffle oven. And now we're gonna cut it into triangles. So you're gonna follow the lines that are on the waffle already. Now we're gonna plate it into the shape of a Christmas tree. So of course you have your points. And then you're gonna add your M&Ms. And we're gonna sprinkle with powdered sugar. Just like that, we've made our Christmas tree waffle. Thank you. Have a Merry Christmas.